I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your vinyl cutter. First, let's unbox your new machine. Carefully remove all components from the packaging, including the cutter itself, the power cord, the USB cable, and the blade holder. Be sure to remove any protective tape or foam from the machine. Finally, place your vinyl cutter on a stable, flat surface, ensuring it has enough space to operate freely. Now, let's connect the essential hardware. Begin by connecting the power cord to the back of your vinyl cutter and then to a standard power outlet. Next, take the USB cable and connect one end to the cutter and the other end to an available USB port on your computer. Finally, carefully insert the blade holder into the carriage assembly, making sure it is securely seated and the blade is properly adjusted for depth. With the hardware connected, it's time for software and blade setup. Install the cutting software from the provided disk or by downloading it from the manufacturer's website. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for driver installation. Next, adjust the blade depth to match the thickness of your material. A good starting point is often just enough to cut through the vinyl layer. Always perform a small test cut to verify your settings before a full project. You're almost ready for your first project. Carefully load your vinyl material onto the cutting mat or directly into the machine's feeder, ensuring it is flat, smooth, and aligned correctly. Once your design is ready in the software, send it to the cutter. Watch the machine as it works, and remember to always double-check your settings and material placement for the best possible results on every cut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.